Pulse rates in BPM were collected from a random sample of females who are non-smokers but do drink alcohol. The pulse rates before they exercised had a mean of 75.89 and a standard deviation of 11.02. The pulse rates after they ran in place for 1 minute had a mean of 125.24 and a standard deviation of 25.28. The pulse rates before they exercised were more consistent or less consistent than the pulse rates after they ran in place for 1 minute. So consistency, let's talk about what that means. If we have data that is consistent, so consistency means the same things happening over and over and over again. So if you're more consistent, then you have more data items that are close together, which means you would have a lower standard deviation. And the reason for that is because standard deviation, of course, measures how spread out your data is. So if your data is not very spread out, if it's consistent, then you have a low standard deviation. Data that's less consistent, so it's not as consistent, that's going to be data that's more spread out. So you have a higher standard deviation in that setup. So we're comparing the standard deviations of these groups. So before exercise, the standard deviation was 11.02. After exercise, the standard deviation was 25.28. So the pulse rates before they exercised had a lower standard deviation, and therefore they were more consistent than the pulse rates after they ran in place.